Here we are, our newest listing in Loudon Place, a brand new Lennar built community. What's the address, Samantha?
Our newest listing, the address is 11656 Hartwell Street. We're here in Lawrence Township. This is a great community. Go check it out.
Here we are in our Lennar built home. This property is just under 1 year in age. The homeowner is relocating. This property is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story. My understanding after speaking with Lennar Homes, they don't build this model in this community again. So this is your opportunity to get it. Let's go take a tour. Come on.
You know, my favorite part of a home is the kitchen. Every kitchen usually is the focal point of every home. This kitchen in particular offers so much counter space, great cabinet storage as you guys can see behind me, but my favorite part of this kitchen is not only this island sink, but how it opens up to the living space for open concept.
All right, here we are in the loft space. This is probably one of my favorite spots of the entire property. I mean, wouldn't it be nice to have something like this at your house to just
Yeah, it's a great
away?
flex space. You can just do whatever you want up here. Obviously, it's big enough for a couch, so I like to hang out.
I know Palmer would love this and do a dart gun fight up here. Palmer would love this, so this would be a perfect space for it, right?
There's definitely some space and some hiding around the other side of the stairs.
If you're curious about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to us. My name's Landon Bushing.
My name's Samantha Lynch. How you can contact me is my phone number, 317-502-8640.
My number is 260-573-6316. You can always get a hold of us on Magnolia Lane Real Estate Team.com.